Who is it? Oh, is it you? It must be 1:30 on Thursday already. My goodness, how the week's gone fast. Do come in. All right. What a lovely day here in Wellington. Hello there. I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. And here we are today at another live open home, this time at 33 Frederick Street in Unit 207 in Croxley House. Beautiful building. Before I get started though, I just want to really make a big thank you to the owners of this apartment who have followed my instructions and taken the faith and gone ahead and dressed this apartment, and it is absolutely beautiful. So thank you very much to Michael. Do appreciate it. So this is a little bit different as well from the point of view that we'd normally be doing a walkthrough, but it's not exactly going to be like that today because all of the rooms are off this lovely big main living area. So we'll start with walking through to the main bedroom. And you'll see for yourself what I mean here. Taking our time to get here because this room is quite large. And another feature already, we've got this lovely big sliding door. And I should mention to you, there's a number of sliding doors in this apartment which just make the place feel a lot bigger. This bedroom is massive. It's a lovely big main bedroom. Plenty of room. So you've got room here for a bed. You can have a king-size bed in here, no problem at all. And this area over here could be used for so many other things. Certainly you can put a desk in here. You could have it as a nursery too, perhaps, and a sofa. So provides really good separation, I guess, if you were living with someone else. Lovely big wardrobes, plenty of wardrobe space, plenty of storage, plenty of room. It's a great main bedroom. Okay, so next we'll go through to the bathroom. Now I love this bathroom. It's a real cute bathroom. It's got some really nice designer features, typical of the era and typical of the design of this apartment building. So we've got it's a great shower unit as well. This open shower. I love the taps in the basin. They're really cool. And I should mention too, we've got the laundry here. So you've got the washing machine in here and behind the cupboards. You've got all the plumbing together and some good storage units down here, and it actually takes up a lot of space. And another slider. All right, so we're cruising back now into the main living area, and we'll have a look at the kitchen. So the kitchen's got this really nice breakfast bar and opens back into the kitchen. Nice big stainless steel bench, good size oven. Plenty of joinery and surface area for preparing food and everything. Nice, clean, smart-looking kitchen, modern kitchen. It's lovely. Okay, now we'll go through to the second bedroom. And the second bedroom's got a sliding door as well, and a lot smaller. This room could be used as an office if someone was just wanting to live on their own, but lots of space. And the thing I like about this bedroom too, that opens up to the balcony, right? So we've got a nice, good, big balcony here. And hopefully you'll see too that we've got lots of sun coming in here from the balcony. It's a good space altogether. It's great. The word I haven't used yet is beautiful. I think this apartment's just come up so well with the staging, and it looks absolutely fantastic and really cool and really trendy. Another feature I'll just point out to you too, it's got quite a high stud. This was a commercial building in its original life. Croxley House, Croxley Mills, which I think was a printing firm. So it's captured all of that features, I guess, and having the high stud height does give it extra character. Now, let's get down to some business in terms of this being on the market. It's being sold by way of tender if not sold prior, and It's got a buyer inquiry of $525,000 and it's 96 square metres, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom in the middle of town. Now, that's the other point I want to make too. The location here is superb. You're right in the middle of the apartment precinct. Just that way to Cambridge Terrace. You've got Taranaki Street over there. You've got Courtney Place down there. You've got movie theatres, cafes, restaurants, bars all around this area, and so you're really nice and central, which is wonderful. One thing I should just check my notes. I've forgotten. We've got the tender date closing on the 25th. That's Wednesday, the 25th of July, and it's been sold by way of tender, if not sold prior. So there you have it. I think I've covered everything off. One thing I should mention is that we've got 2 open homes. We've got one tonight at 5:30, which is unusual, tonight being a Thursday, but we've had so much interest in this property already, we've decided to do an open home tonight. So we'll be meeting you here at 5:30. If you want to come along, please do. If you want to see it for yourself. If you're interested in this property, please get here as soon as you can, because I think it's going to take no time at all to sell. We've got another open home on Sunday at 1 o'clock from 1 to 2. So there's plenty of opportunities for you to come and view it for yourself. So we'd love to see you. Okay, so that's it from me. If you've got an apartment in Te Aro and you're interested in listing it with me, I'd certainly love to hear from you. If you need any more information on this apartment, please give me a call. We have got a Dropbox link that we can email to you with all of the body corporate minutes and financial statements, the titles and all of those sort of things. So you can either contact me on Messenger, obviously on Facebook, email me at jkettle@tommies.co.nz, or you can call me on 027 443 1355. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for tuning in. It's John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Bye for now.